Hello YouTube, today I got a nice little package from FXT Technologies. Let's see what we got. What is unfortunate with this package is that it was opened, inspected, and the guys at the customs thought it was fair to charge an over-the-top fee. Well, that's what you get when your package is delivered by DHL. On the other hand, the good guys at FXT were willing to cover the fees for me. Awesome. In the little carton box we have two cameras, the FXT T80 and 81. What is unique about these cameras is that they incorporate an ISD and they can monitor a battery and overlay the voltage onto the camera feed. The Venus reads micro-sized and lightweight, high-resolution WDR, integrated OSD 6943 switchable. The T80 reads exactly the same. It's time to have a look at the cameras. The T81 camera is really tiny and feels solid. No wires soldered on the camera to get broken off, but instead a little socket. We have a small bag of accessories, cable, screws, and a mount. As the manual suggests, this camera is nicknamed Venus. Going through the specs, we see that the camera works on 4.8 volts to 36 volts. It has a CMOS sensor, 800 TV lines, 115 degrees field of view. Also, it states that you can configure white balance, color gain, and exposure, and that you can also flip the video horizontally and vertically. I guess for that you need an optional keypad that helps you access the camera menu. I guess that's it for this little camera. Let's put everything back in the box and move on. The T80 box was not opened by customs. The T80 is equally small but different in design, with the wires directly soldered onto the camera, and a loose red wire, which I guess would be for measuring the battery voltage. Sadly, there is no documentation whatsoever to verify that the loose red wire is supposed to be that way. But despite the lack of manual, and according to the guys at FXT, the T80 camera accepts 3.5 to 5.5 volts. It's lighter than the T81, and every other spec is supposed to be identical to the T81. I guess I have to contact FXT about the T80 manual, because a connection diagram is needed in order to verify the use of the lone red wire. Overall, I like the design of the cameras and the fact that they incorporate a simple ISD, because that's what the majority of RC hobbyists want to know, when the battery is at critical levels, so they can return their models safely back to base. Also, these cameras saves you from soldering an extra ISD on and from the extra wires, which will make the end result look cleaner. I guess that's it. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you all for watching. Bye bye.